Hey y'all, it is a spooky hello and return to Nerdy Girl Reviews. I am back with another quick Target slash Dollar Tree Halloweeny haul. So stay tuned for the goodies. Alright, so you guys already know I did buy my really cutie lantern, and like I said, there was a choice between orange and black. I opted for the orange, as you can obviously see, because it's going to pop really well with my decor that I'm slowly building. And let me see if you guys can see the actual like effect, the LED light inside. You see it? You see it? Really cute. And I think like in the backdrop is going to make a really cute ambiance. So as you can see, it's the LED lantern. I will say though that the dark ones, the black ones that they had that had like skeleton as their etching is gone. So again, like I said, you have to move fast when you see these things. Also, this is the LED light that I also bought that I think it does really well for like weddings. As you can see, it has like these little encrusted kind of quilt-like pattern to look like, you know, nice and fancy for weddings, but also has like this very kind of creepy glittering kind of like flickering light, but I'm gonna dress it up to be Halloweeny, so stay tuned for that. I think I'm gonna put like candle wax drippings. But yes, you already know about my ribbons, which I still have to kind of put together. I'm just showing you an overall like what I'm collecting as the season. And remember, we're still in August, so but just giving you guys an update. I still have like my LED tapered candles, which I'm not sure how I'm going to use. I thought I was going to do a candelabra, but hold on for that info. I still have my vinyl, which I'm going to use. You can use it with a Cricut and whatnot, but I'm going to use it for another purpose. Nice shiny vinyl and black. Now let's get to the new stuff. And these are all located at the Dollar Tree. Now this is the Target Bullseye. Finally, we're seeing good stuff for Halloween at Target. Now this is, I think I saw this last year, which I wanted to grab last year, but I was like, I'm buying too much Halloween stuff. But I just love, oh, look how glittery and really pretty. I'll see if I dress it up. I'll just leave it because I think alone is just gorgeous. And as you can see, it's a spooky tree. And I believe it is $5 at the Target's Bullseye. So there is that. Sorry, hold on. That's that. Now this is why I say I don't need to do candelabra, because they have a candelabra. And I think it's battery operated, as you can see down here. So I'll give this a try. But isn't this the most darling thing? I think it's just so cute. And it's $5. Now for the big reveal. Dun, 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 dun. Hold on a sec. Look how my baby's coming. I know it looks a little like rough, but I'm gonna still keep at it, adding a little more. I did add like more gold. I do have gold spray paint, but I want it to kind of look like it is rather decaying, because I think it makes it more Halloweeny. So remember, I used more of the tin. I think Bargain Bethany used like these wooden, really lightweight dowels that were circular, but I wanted for it to be really sturdy, because the napkin holders are really heavy. So I think it has a good base for it to stay. You know, of course I'm not going to put anything super heavy. It would have to be like lightweight stuff like any of these. But just stay tuned. If you see it in the background, if you see it in my reviews, I can put like now the little candelabra and whatnot, my little spooky tree. But yeah, I'm really excited for this year's Halloween, and please stay tuned. If you like what you see, give us a like, give us a share. What item here stuck out to you the most? Leave us a comment down below. If you'd like to follow my videos, don't forget to hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY review haul. Let me know too, do you guys like the little decor I got going on? Leave us a comment. Let me know. All right, y'all, I'm gonna wrap this up, but if you see this, remember it's available at Target's Bullseye and the Dollar Tree. Halloween is in the air. All right, y'all, till next time, XOXO, nerdy girl.